Hello Bachcha Party, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start with the third part of chapter 7, Getting to Know Plants. In previous part we have completed till photosynthesis. I hope you have watched that video carefully. Now the next part of the plant or tree is root, which is the second last topic of our entire chapter. So we already know some of the function of root. That is, root helps to travel water from soil to different parts of the plant, isn't it? It helps to travel water from the soil to the different parts of the plant like branches, leaves and flowers. Okay, so let's see what are the function of roots and how this roots helps the plant or tree. So in the starting they have given one activity. Okay, in the starting they have given one activity where they have taken two pots, in which one of the pot, like you can see in the figure number 7.14, figure number A, they have taken plant with roots, and in figure number B they have taken plants without roots. So can you tell me which of this figure or which of this plant grow faster? Pause the video and think about it and write your answer in my comments. Okay? So from this activity we can say that the plant in figure number A grows quickly, and while we try to pull this plant, it is not easy to pull it at all. Why? Because the roots of the plants are holding this plant in the soil, while on the other hand, in figure number B, plant doesn't grow at all, and while we try to pull this plant, it comes out easily. So from this we can say that roots helps in the holding the plant firmly to the soil, and they are the anchor, or they anchor the plant to the soil. That means they hold the plant into the soil, or they support the plant so they can grow and stay in the soil. Is it clear, Bachcha Party, what are the function of roots and how they are important to the plants? First, they helps in transportation of water from soil to the different part of the plants or tree. Second, they hold the plant into the soil. Okay, they absorb some minerals from the soils and transport or moves in different part of the plant. And also they anchor, they hold, they support the plant into the soil. They helps in the growth of the plant. They play very important role in entire tree or in entire plant. Is it clear, Bachcha Party? Now as you can see in the figure number 7.15 and 7.16, we have learned this concept in, I think, first or second chapter. The sprouted seeds, the white thread-like structure which comes out of the seeds, isn't it? So these are nothing but the roots. That white structure which is coming out of the seeds are nothing but the roots of that particular seeds. Okay, is it clear, Bachcha Party? The next activity is the types of roots. So as you can see in the figure number 7.17, there are two types of plants with two different types of roots are present. In figure number A, you can see that there is a root, main root, and there are branches or smaller roots around it. While on the figure number B, you can see that all the roots are almost similar to each other. So here in figure number A, the main root, the thick root is known as taproot, while the smaller roots are known as lateral roots. Is it clear? The thick or main root is known as taproot, while the smaller roots are known as lateral roots. On the other hand, in figure number B, all the roots are looking similar to each other. So these types of roots are known as fibrous roots. Why fibrous? Because they are looking like fiber. So all roots seem similar and these are known as fibrous root. Is it clear, bacha party? Two different types of roots. One is taproot and lateral root, which is the main root and the smaller roots, and the roots which look similar are known as fibrous root. Here we have important relation between leaf venation and the types of root. So as you can see in figure number 7.17, figure A, which has taproot and lateral root, has which type of leaf venation? Yes, it is reticulate venation. While on the other hand, in figure number B, where there are fibrous roots, they have parallel venation. We have already studied reticulate venation and parallel venation in the previous part. So, is it clear what are the relation between the leaf venation and types of root? So, you have first task for this video, you have to fill this table number 7.2, where you have to write name of the plant, types of leaf venation and types of root. I can tell you the name of the plants. Let's say one plant will be tulsi and another plant will be grass. So in tulsi the reticulate venation will be there. In grass the parallel venation will be there. If there is a reticulate venation, that means what types of roots are present? Taproot and yes, lateral roots. And while on the other hand, in grass the parallel venation is there, so there is fibrous root. Okay, is it clear what is the relationship between roots and leaf venation? Now the functions of the roots are mentioned here. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, and the stem conducts this to leaves and other parts of the plant. As I have mentioned earlier, the function of root, which is given here. The leaves prepared food. By which process? By the process of photosynthesis. This food travels through the stem, isn't it? This food travels through the stem to the different part of the plant and is stored in different part of plant. Okay, that we know. We eat some of these as a roots, like the examples are given, the roots which we eat, the human beings. Okay, like carrot is a root of the plant which we eat. Then radish, sweet potato, turnip and tapioca. We also eat many other parts of the plant where food is stored, isn't it? We eat some of the leaves like methi, then pudina, mint, then we eat fruits of the plant. Okay, so the different parts of the plant human beings eats. Okay, is it clear what are the important function of roots and stems? Okay, bacha party, I hope you are clear with the part root and different types of roots and the different function of roots, why roots is important, and what is the relationship between leaf venation and the types of root. Is it clear? And in the next part we will study about the last topic of the chapter, that is flower. I hope you have understand this part clearly and carefully. If still anyone has any doubt, please comment down below so that I can solve your doubt. Okay, bacha party? Till the next video, take care, stay healthy, stay fit.